Hello, friends. It's me, Char, your favorite color street stylist from San Antonio, Texas. How you doing? It's been a while, hasn't it? So I do apologize. Last month, I did not share the subscription box. Shame on me, because October's subscription box is fire. Literally. Our subscription box theme was Rise of the Dragons. So dragons, fire, you know? But look how gorgeous the cover of this box is, y'all. I cannot wait to see the nail strips inside in person. Are y'all ready to open this up with me today? Let's go. So I have seen a few Nailfies in the stylist Nailfie group that I'm in. And I'm really excited to see all the sets in this box. I'm excited to see what our freebie item is gonna be. What are y'all thinking? Are we gonna see some purples in here, some teals? I would love a nail set design that looks exactly like this. Or maybe even like a really fun like overlay that we could put on top of one of these shades. What do y'all think? All right, without further ado, let's open up our October ColorPlay subscription box together. Are y'all ready? Ooh, here we go. All right, y'all. Before I go any further, let me apply some lip oil so I'm not scaring y'all with naked lips. I absolutely love this lip oil. Isn't this a gorgeous fall color? I love it. So pretty. Okay. I think this one's called Berry. Let me double check. Oh, Blackberry. But isn't this a gorgeous lip oil color for fall? It gives you that subtle kind of like a fall purple. I love it. What do y'all think? Y'all can grab this one on my website. It's available. The lip oils are amazing. They just really hydrate your lips. They are made with a hyaluronic oil, and it's just really hydrating on your lips. It's not sticky. Like most lip glosses, like they stick. Not this one. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to show y'all the October ColorPlay box. All right, let's get started. So each box always comes with our little pamphlets. And like I said, October is Rise of the Dragons. Look at those nails. Oh my goodness. That green, that's like good for Halloween, right? Are y'all a ColorPlay subscriber yet? Look at those strips. I can't wait to show them to y'all. Look how gorgeous. If you missed out on this box, I am sorry. The subscription boxes are fabulous, y'all. We usually get about 4 to 5 full sets in the box, plus a bonus item, and it's free shipping, and it's only $30 plus tax. What a great deal, right? Right now, I currently have 3 ColorPlay subscription subscribers, and I cannot wait to get more. The boxes are great for gifting. Of course, they're great for keeping, like you keep it, right? But they do make great gifts. If you're ever like stumped on what to give, like a niece or a sister, maybe even your mom or an aunt or your mail lady, grab a subscription box. Everyone loves to have their nails done. Am I right? I know I do. Pretty nails just make me feel better about myself. But let's go ahead and dive in and meet our strips. Okay, so Rise of the Dragons. It says in this month's box, turn fantasy into reality in ColorPlay's Rise of the Dragons. This box features fire-breathing shimmer and glitter designs, a fantastical glitter, and a fearless scale pattern clear overlay that'll raise your nail look and make any manicure soar. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design that will reign supreme. I love it. Oh, let's meet our bonus item first. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be this is a great bonus item. I love it. Perfect to take Nailfies with. But our bonus item, it says awaken the dragon from within, wearing this majestic mother of pearl ring. Y'all, look at this. We got a ring. Wow. I love it. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And it's gold. Yay. Thank you for being gold. My wedding ring is gold, so I'm really happy this one is gold. It's a little big for my pinky. Let's see if I can wear it over here. Yep. And then what's really fun is you could kind of like put them like this and then take a Nailfie with it. Like how cute. Isn't that cute for a Nailfie? Look how pretty. Oh, that's a gorgeous ring. I am very, very happy with our bonus item this month. I think this is probably one of the best bonus items we've got. What do y'all think? If you have seen my past ColorPlay unboxings, what has been your favorite bonus item so far? We've gotten hair clips, we've gotten hair scrunchies, we've gotten sleep masks, we've got nail clips to help us remove our Color Street sets. All sorts of fun little gifts. We've gotten little coin purses, we've gotten mini lip glosses, we've gotten a lipstick, but this ring, I think this is my favorite. I mean, I loved the earrings we got this past summer, but this ring is just, it's gorgeous. And mother of pearl, in a way, that's my birthstone. I'm an October baby, and this is actually the October birthstone. My husband got it for me for my wedding ring. But yeah, so opal is like the October birthstone, and then this is mother of pearl. So very similar. But without further ado, let's jump in and meet our strips. Okay. So first up, we have this gorgeous green. This one's called Serpent Spell. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It almost reminds me, we had a set called Midnight in Manhattan. No, I'm sorry, that's not it. Underground Magic. Who remembers Underground Magic? It is a black to silver ombre. This one reminds me of that, but then it has these really neat kind of like scaly. And look at that glitter. Wow. All right. So Serpent Spell, it says fall under the Serpent Spell with this reptilian green shimmer with a black gradient and scale pattern. How fun. And that shimmer is just amazing. I love it. Beautiful sets. Next, we have, ooh, this one's pretty for Halloween. Wings of Destiny. Look at that. Look at that glitter. And another ombre. I love the ombres, especially for fall. Are y'all loving it? Drop some purple hearts if you are liking Wings of Destiny. Spread your Wings of Destiny with this purple shimmer with a black gradient and an abstract scale design. They definitely nailed the dragon theme, in my opinion. All right, so that's 2 sets. Set number 3, Mother of Dragons. Oh my. That is a gorgeous glitter. Look at that. That is a pretty glitter for fall. What do y'all think? Are y'all loving it? Drop me some fall leaves if y'all would wear this glitter for fall. Mother of Dragons. Become a Mother of Dragons with this green flashed rustic brown glitter. So pretty. Perfect for fall. I love it. This one might be my Thanksgiving nail set. So pretty. All right. Next up, we have Dragon's Breath. Oh, love the duochrome. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see the duochrome? I'm trying to show it on. There it goes. See that? See that duochrome? It's like a teal to purple. Wow. I love that one. So Dragon's Breath, unleash the dragon's breath with this purple to green duochrome glitter with a black gradient and slithering lines. Oh, I love it. That is so neat. Y'all see the lines there? What a beautiful set. So glad I did not miss out on this box. And last we have in a 4-finger accent. This one is called Sacred Scales. Layer this clear overlay with a scale pattern over your fierce manicure for a legendary look. So this one you can apply over the sets, and whatever you put underneath will show through this design. I honestly, I don't know. I would probably wear it with this green and put it over the green to kind of make it like all have scales. How would y'all wear this one? Which set would y'all pair this with? I'm kind of liking it over Serpent's Spell. But that is a gorgeous box. I'm so happy I didn't miss out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 full sets. Remember, these sets are not on my website, but if you were to go on my website and get a buy 3, get 1 free, you'd probably spend around $42 with tax and shipping and everything. Maybe, yeah, about $42, depending on the sets you picked out. If you picked out like all $13 sets, you're looking at about $42. This box is only $30 plus tax. So here in Texas, I pay a little over $32 for my subscription box, and it's such a great deal. I love getting these boxes. It's really an easy way when I'm mani stumped. I can't like decide on a nail set to wear. I come to my subscription box and everything is right there for me. I love it. But so these are the sets we got in this month's box along with our ring. And this is definitely worth the $30. Let me show y'all November's theme. And then y'all can go ahead and jump on that link down below and get your November subscription box, because you're not going to want to miss these subscription boxes, y'all. They're just getting better and better and better, in my opinion. What do y'all think? All right, so let's meet November's ColorPlay theme. Every month we get a new theme. We do not know the strips inside of the box. Sometimes we get spoilers, and you have to be a part of my VIP group if you want to have a spoiler. But we always know the theme, and the nail strips tend to kind of match the theme. And so this picture is going to be like the picture on the subscription box itself. Our theme is Garden of Time. I'm really hoping we get like a deep purple like this, or even like something like similar to here. I think that would be a gorgeous shade for November. I would even love to see like a pink glitter like this, because I don't know about you, but I love wearing like a really pretty pink Christmas manicure. So Garden of Time, it says, peek into a garden where the past, present, and future exist in harmony with elegant colors and blooming floral patterns. So what shades are y'all hoping we get in November? What bonus item are y'all hoping we'll get in November? It's going to be hard to top this one. I mean, we've had some great bonus items in the past. Our earrings, our little mini coin purses, so many great bonus items. This one is definitely going to be a hard one to top. But y'all, don't miss out on these boxes. Again, my personal goal, like I said, I have 3 subscribers right now, but my personal goal is to get to 10. And then after that, I would love to have 30. 30 subscribers is literally my dream. But I'd love to get to 10 first, and then of course grow from there. So Christmas is just around the corner. If you want an easy gift to give to your nieces, your sister, your aunt, your daughter. Get them a ColorPlay subscription box and let them have fun doing their nails. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Drop them in the comments or shoot me a message. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all all soon. Bye-bye.